In this video, we are going to have to find 3 different probabilities. Now, you might be at the point where you could try some of them on your own, so I encourage you to do that. Just feel free to press pause on the video and try on your own, and then press play and see if we got the same answer. Jennifer has 4 Scooby-Doo videos, 5 Magic School Bus videos, and 3 Paw Patrol videos. If Jennifer randomly selects 4 DVDs for her children to take on a road trip, determine the probability that A, no Scooby-Doo DVDs are selected, at least 1 Scooby-Doo DVD is selected, and 2 Scooby-Doo DVDs and 2 Magic School Bus DVDs are selected. Let's get started. I'm going to use my highlighter because I need to count up how many DVDs we've got all together. We've got 4 Scooby-Doo, 5 Magic School Bus, and 3 Paw Patrol. So that, I'm going to make myself a little note over here. That is a total of 12 DVDs total to choose from. So the probability of no Scooby-Doo is equal to the number of possible without Scooby over the total possibilities of all 12. So the number without Scooby is not going to be all 12, it's going to be just 8. So I've got 12 altogether, but if I want to choose one without Scooby-Doo, that would be just the 8 that I'd be choosing from. So that would be 8, choose, and she is allowing them to select 4. Now the total possibilities would include the Scooby-Doo, so that would be 12, choose 4. We put that into our calculator, and I encourage you to practice this. We would get 14 out of 99. So press pause and make sure that you are able to put this into your calculator and get the same fraction that I got. Now the next example, or the next question, says at least 1 Scooby-Doo DVD is selected. So the probability of 1 Scooby. And it says at least. So that's important because it's not just 1. I could have 1, 2, 3, or 4. So with the probability of just at least 1, we know the probability of none is 14, so that means out of 99. So we know that the remainder of those out of 99 is going to equal the probability that at least 1 will be chosen. So at least 1 will be 1 minus the 14 out of 99, which is the same thing as 99 out of 99 minus 14 out of 99, which is 85 out of 99. So the probability that the children will choose at least 1 DVD is 85 out of 99. The probability of none would be 14 out of 99. And these 2 probabilities would add up to 100% because there's really only 2 situations. You're either going to get at least 1 or you'll get none. And that's your 100% of your probability when added all together. Okay, the next one I think is kind of fun. 2 Scooby-Doo DVDs and 2 Magic School Bus DVDs are selected. Remember, and is multiplication, and that's why I love this one. So the probability of 2 Scoobies and 2 Magic Buses. I'll put buses. 2 buses. That's going to equal Now, we've got 4 that we're choosing. So we only have 4 that we're choosing, and we want to know what the probability of 2 is going to be. We're choosing 4. That's going to go in our denominator. So we're going to choose 4 out of all 12. Now back up here to our numerator, because I like to make sure I've got that total possibilities in the denominator, and then it helps keep my numerator clear as to what I'm doing. Now I'm going to choose 2 Scooby-Doos out of 4, and I'll choose 2 school buses out of 5. So what's the probability of that? So 4, choose 2, that's my Scooby, times, because it's and, 5, choose 2, which is our magic school bus. And when we put that into our calculator, I'm going to give you time to put that into your calculator. Press pause so that this doesn't ruin it for you. Make sure that you can get 4 out of 33. And I'm going to give you time just in case you did not put that into your calculator. And make sure you put the multiplication symbol in between the 2 numerators. So where you have 4 choose 2 and 5 choose 2, you need a multiplication symbol in between those. So hopefully you got the 4 out of 33, and you're feeling good about the calculator and these 3 different situations, and have this written down in your notes so that you can refer to it as you do your homework.